How to use Pinterest Watch. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can go to your Pinterest Watch. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. But before we press it, make sure that your Pinterest application is updated. If not, you can simply open up the Play Store in your device and then update your Pinterest application through Google Play Store. After you update it, open up your Pinterest application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now, there is no direct option to go to watch in Pinterest, but here is how you can watch videos in Pinterest. On your home page, tap on the video that you would like to watch. As you can see, I have this video on my home page, so tap on that video. Now if you scroll down a bit, and then just under that you will get bunch of videos related with that previous videos that you watched, and you can keep on scrolling and watch the video from here. So that's how you can use Pinterest Watch. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel and do not forget to like, comment and hit that notification bell icon, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.